Hey dollies! So in today's video, I know I look a bit crazy, but we're going to be doing a wig tutorial with Arabella Hair. Here's the box. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but yes, this box says Arabella Bloom Your Beauty. Okay, and in the box it comes with a little mini makeup bag. In the bag we have some lashes, a headband, a wig cap, a clip, and it came with an edge brush, but I had to use that the other day because I was in need of a new one already, so they came in clutch. I'm just going to start off with my Got To Be glue gel to slick back my edges since I already have my hair braided up. I hope my braids aren't too fat. Okay. One thing I hate about my hairline is I have a lot of sideburns right here, so I have to make sure I slick these properly. Next, I'm going to go with my blow dryer so I can lay down the hair, make sure they're fully dry. Guys, I'm not sure how I feel about these two braids right here because I don't want my head to be bumpy. I might have to go in and flatten those. Yeah. I'm just like make smaller parts for them and re-braid them real quick. Alright, so I just finished laying down my wig cap and stuff like that. So next I'm just going to put some alcohol around the perimeter. I need to start charging my camera because it's literally dying right now as we speak. So I'm probably come back to you guys later, like when I get back home after getting my nails done. But everything's done pretty much right now. I could really lay my wig if I wanted to. I might try actually. But I just won't be able to style it or nothing. But I'll try. Right, so just grab your alcohol. We're just going to put some on a cotton ball and then we're going to clean around the perimeter of our hair. Right, so you're just going to grab your glue of choice. Mine is the Ghost Bond because it holds really nice. Just going to put it around. Alright y'all, so I am back. It is the next day and I put on the same shirt because, you know, I only wore it for the video, so I just decided to, you know, put it back on, keep the same type of vibe going on. But yeah, I put it back on the same shirt and it is the next day in the morning time. This is the day of the dinner, so I really have to get my stuff together. I literally just woke up like an hour ago, so my voice sounds a little different right now. But I'm just cut off the lace right now because it's already glued. I've had it glued since yesterday morning, so I'm just gonna cut it. And as y'all can see, I got my nails done. They are very long, longer than I would ever get, because I typically don't even get my nails done. But if I were to get them, they would probably be cut down to like right here. But you know, I wanted to try something new. I didn't even know, I couldn't even tell they were gonna be this long because we were doing forms, so I couldn't even tell. But that's fine, I guess. I'm just gonna have to rock it out, adapt to these. And as you can see right here on the sides, the lace didn't fully go down to my ears. But that's fine, you know, that's as expected for like a lot of lace. Cause I don't know, like, do I just have some long type of forehead? I'm not sure what's going on, but not a lot of lace goes straight down. But that's fine, I know how to cover it up, I know how to work with it. Oh, look, he wants some sushi right now. Like, I'm kind of hungry. And I woke up, didn't put on no mascara, didn't fix my eyebrows up. So yeah, I'm so tired. Why do I always accidentally cut my hair? So for this hair, I'm just gonna curl it. Yeah, because I'm in the mood for some curls. And this hair looks like it will be so cute with some juicy curls. I just put some heat protectant. I put some of this, my friend's olive oil heat protectant. Just to make sure it's like, I don't even know. Honestly, I think it'll make it shiny. We're just gonna make sure the part is right. Because I didn't pluck the part, which I should have, but I did not. This middle part is very hard to get right now. I'm not sure why. Y'all, I'm getting so stressed out. Like, this is the most annoying thing to me ever. So I'm gonna come back when I'm like done. Okay, y'all, so I really don't feel like filming when I do my curls. So I'm gonna do my curls, get back to y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all the final product. because you know I have a limited amount of time today, just like I did yesterday, because I'm going out to eat. Maybe I'll film a bit when I get there, but I'm not bringing my camera. But I will get back to you guys. I'll set it up nice and stuff when I'm done. So I'll be right back, dollies. Alright, dollies, so it is about a couple days later and this is how my hair is looking. Yes, I reinstalled it because I didn't like the way my braids were looking underneath, so I just did my simple go-to, you know, slick back underneath, because I don't have that much hair. I just do a slick back and I put in a ponytail and you can't even see it. I like that way better than the braids, because I'm not like an elite braider, so I'm not making them real tight and stuff. I'm just putting some dookie braids under my hair and I'm calling it a day. But yeah, this hair is so soft. Like, I can't get over how soft it is, but it does shed a lot. Now I don't know if, yeah, I'm not really sure, but it sheds like a decent amount. That's the only con to this hair, but it's really soft. The lace is looking good. This hair is nice. I would recommend this to you guys, honestly. Like, you know, I will tell you, I'm very unbiased when it comes to these companies. I wouldn't want nobody sending me off, so why would I do that to y'all? Nice human 22-inch lace frontal. You know, I'm gonna have all the links down below. If you guys like this video, please go like and subscribe, you know, leave some comments, leave a like, whatever. Bye, dollies.